Yeah, not as good as yesterday, not even close. Oh, I agree. I'm not feeling shorts. I'm feeling longs today. It looks market is trying to hold this 443.36 area. Good morning, YouTube. A little late getting on this morning. So let's just get into it here, guys. SPY, we have a little higher low here pre-market from yesterday's low. Double bottom. Higher low here. I like this long from the low down to yesterday's low. We actually can move that down just a touch, but anyway, you can see where it is, where our trade is going to be. We want the market SPY to hang right here for the long, for the bounce off 443.73. Okay. Very simple play. If it breaks under here, we give it 50 cents. I'm not even sure I would give it 50 cents because the 50 is way down here by 442. We're not going to take it that deep. To the double bottom, maybe a few cents past that. I'm not sure how much more I would take beyond that. Okay. Qs. Oh, I don't like that candle. Qs just ruined my mood. All right, so we got a triple bottom. Call it a triple bottom here. 374.42. The reason that I like these plays, guys, is because I have defined risk, right? If it comes down in here, I know that I'm going to take this play. And if it moves just a little bit out of it, I can close it, not have to risk much. $375. I'm just looking at something. Hold on. Yeah, down to 374.42. You know, this area at the bottom. We can move this actually down here. So there's your box. Deeper the better. Pre-market low. Let's get rid of this. Get rid of this. Get rid of that. Just take some profit into the 9. Watch for the bounce on the 9. Coming into the 9 from the south side. Watch for the bounce coming into the 9. Okay? And that's going to be with any play. If we come into the 9, it likes to bounce on the 9 on the daily. All right? You guys all there? Everybody's muted. Okay. All right. So let's move over to Apple, and then we'll come back to Qs and SPY at the end and see if anything's changed after we move through the market. Apple long 146.50. I like that area. That's interesting that I already had that candle there and it lines up today. I'll watch that area for a trade. See, that's interesting. Apple looks like it's going to come down. Could hold the pre-market bottom. Well, I would think we're going to get some continuation of this sell-off on Apple before the run back up to 165s. Come in here. I think, go ahead. Right, no. I'm saying I think we should wait for Apple to get down in this 146. Yesterday's low down to 146.50, but we need to be cautious with this trade here, okay? Because if it gets underneath this 146.95, there's no support here, guys, until down here, you know, in this range. Right here, down here, okay? There's no support until this 143, 144 area, right? So that can be a big move fast, okay? So we can watch that play there. We can watch the short at 151.29. I don't think I really like it. Maybe there. I don't think I like it here. Let me look at that. We could watch for the short here, and then give it up to the high of this day. What day was this? Tuesday's high. So that's about 70 cents of risk on Apple, which is good if we start in short at 150.35. Okay. 151.29 is about as far as you're going to want to take. You don't even really want to go that far, but you can. Okay. About a point of risk on Apple. As you can see, that's what it is. All right. There's your moves. You can look for a put. 151 puts is what I would take, not the 150s. Okay. AMC. I don't really see nothing on AMC. AMD did bounce yesterday. Nice, didn't it? Look at that. See that? We were talking about that in the morning, Tandon. Well, it ran a point. I mean, that jammed straight up, down, straight into the level, bounced straight up. This is the type of move you want into the level, just not too much slide. But I don't like where it is right now. Chris, you making a call, buddy? Oh, yeah. What'd you do? Call in on your phone? Yeah, that works. All right. I don't really like AMD unless it comes down to 104.37 down here for the long. And then watch the short at 107.30. It's right in the middle. Right in the middle of those two levels. You see this? Perfect. Here, first hit here, or first hit here. All right. I kind of like AMD for those areas. It's a little wide, but it's good distance to take the play, right? Both ways. Amazon. Man, I was buffing my ski boat. My arms feel like they're going to fall off. My halfies laugh at me. He's like, that's because you're fat and out of shape. I know why. my arms are like my shoulders. Like I'm like shit, man. They hurt. Push up, yeah, right. I haven't done a push up since 1999. Maybe 97.
I was gonna say.
I'm not doing no fucking push ups. I've done pull ups. Pull my fork up to my mouth. All right, guys. Let me keep moving here. Amazon's below currently 34.53.21. $34.53.21. So Amazon breaks out of the little short-term downtrend. What are we doing here, Amazon? Are we going to bounce on the low? So look here, guys. This is going to be pretty easy. If Amazon breaks this downtrend, this little short-term downtrend, well, you know what? I really should move that candle. Still watch that. I really don't like. Let me get rid of this. I don't even want to look at that. Hold on, I gotta get rid of some stuff so I can see what I'm looking at here. Oh, listen to you. Yeah, buddy, we can hear you good now. Would you go? You went and stole the wife's mic, didn't you? Uh-oh. Oh, okay, there it goes. What the hell's going on? All right, so Amazon is down. We're going to watch for Amazon to bounce around this 34.36 area on the bottom. If it breaks under that, that's really going to put a pull on the market. So if things are up by highs and Amazon comes up here, hits this and breaks down under the lows and starts heading south, we're going to have to be very aware of what Amazon's doing today. Okay. Shit could really hit the fan here. Listen, people are a little shaky. Amazon could really hit the fan. It could make things hit the fan. You know, if Amazon starts to sell off and everybody starts to sell off. So just be aware. Not saying to go short and short it from the bottom. That's not what I'm saying. Tandon. Boeing. Nothing there. Baba. Still not. Oh. Look at that candle on Baba. Baba's gonna come up eventually. That's up to 274.06. No, wait. I don't think it snapped right. 273.93. Correct. I would wait for Baba to come into this bounce right here. We'll watch for this bounce. We're going to like this one. I think we have to watch for this play when it comes. I'm going to put a little light blue line right here at 134.27. We'll watch for it to get there. When we get in there, we can get in. All right? We'll wait for that one. I still don't trust Baba. There's going to be a lot of people get smoked on a move from right here because they're going to think it's going to hold this level, I think. But all right, moving on. Not trading Baba today. Carnival is back down into that 22.72 level. Gonna test the uptrend. It really wants to hold that level. It's not a bad play, guys. It's not. Deeper the better. Deeper the better. Yeah. 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 The day before it bounced off 22.28 perfectly. Yesterday 22. But it didn't have a very strong bounce yesterday. Late, you know what I'm saying? The initial run was good early, but when it came in here, that bounce wasn't very much to get paid on. It was took too long, so I don't really like how that bounced. Yeah, don't marry the trade. Just use the risk, right? So I think the risk on this should be about 50 cents, 30 to 50 cents. Okay. Yeah. So if I got in at 22.72, I would take it down to like 22.40s, and it would need to bounce for me. It need to bounce in this area right here, right into the trend test, right? And I really don't like it to come under 22.72. I'd like to see some continuation up from here, but we'll see. We got a good play on it the other day, so it could be a good play today. We're just gonna. A lot of things are really hanging at these lower levels. People start piling on long because it looks like it's gonna go long, and then the rug gets pulled out and everybody gets dumped on, right? So we have to be aware. We don't want to trade like the masses, remember. Coinbase is down at that 239.72, went right to where I thought it would go and bounced, ding! And then it's trying to hold this level. So a retest of that 239.72, I would look for a long on coin. I don't think it's going to get there today, but if it comes down there, you see it, let me know. Nothing on Disney. DraftKings is going to come back to that 56. That split was going to be a good bounce. Facebook. Facebook's got a phantom tick up at 379, roughly. 379.50s. Can watch that for a short. And I wouldn't take it long unless we were down here, I think. We got a little bit of a short-term uptrend right here. Got a little bit of a short-term uptrend. That trend intersection is going to be 375.90s, which would put us right at the bottom of this. Yeah. You leaving? Bye, babe. So 375.90s on Facebook. I really like the short at 379.55 better than I do the long down here, to be honest. Still needs to run up to that 378.28 and it hasn't made it there yet. So this could be the push. There's a lot of signs that say we should go up, which makes me nervous about taking the long. No, the long. Like, there's a lot of signs. A lot of stuff's holding at the bottom. It's trying to hold these levels, right? We're getting little higher lows all over the place. So you really want to take the pre-market low. But I really think that we should wait for at least yesterday's low, which is 375.11. Now, if you take it here, that's about a point, which is the trend test, right? So you're looking at about a point. So you can do that trade and then load up on the low. But this trade can get expensive quick. So, all right. I mean, what kind of bullshit move is this on Google? Tanner, you see this move? Use that big dump, and then it's just slowly climbing back up. Yeah, this was definitely profit taking right there. Yeah. All right. Intel. See that phantom tick on Intel all the way down to 51.24? Dang. You see that phantom tick right here? Little subtleties tell me not to go long. That's another one. Do what now? Carnival what? Yeah. Those are easy plays. You take it long, then sell, and then take it short, then sell. But it's not a lot of movement. You got to be careful. The contract pays good when there's not a lot of movement, but it also jam you if it breaks, right? There's risk in everything. Where were we? Intel. I think Intel, the bounce of the 50 and the 9 I would like. Right here. Come on. What is this? Is there a candle right there? Why did that come down in there? I like that bounce on Intel, guys. Right here. Right in there. I like that bounce. See how it lines up? That's so funny. All right. I like that 53.14. 54.15, excuse me, for a bounce on Intel. I don't think I'd touch it till there. That's 2 daily moving averages. We have to pay attention to that. So, and of course, take some profit up here. All right. You could short this 55.49 for the first hit. If it hits it, comes down and comes back into it again, it's probably going to break out. So be aware of that as well. Lockheed Martin is a dog right now. It's just chopping around. Those after hours candles made a new low. I'm happy. You see that? Not crazy about that. Okay. All right. That's all you need to know. You just got to make a decision what you're going to do. Okay.
Thinking about wait till it got its highs to get out. It's probably gonna go down further, right?
Yeah, it depends on what the market does today. Just keep an eye on the market. Moderna, look at that, right into that uptrend. I don't like where that's sitting right now. Microsoft gonna run. I told you this was the buy. Said it. Said this was where we should have been in. Oh well. That double bottom. Talked about it yesterday. Yeah, we'll let it. We have to. It has to come back. If it doesn't come back, you can't chase it, bro, because it's gonna come back at some point. 299.81. I'll take it at the close. At the close of yesterday, I will take it long. Well, if it doesn't go that deep, I won't get it. I'm not chasing it. It's just how it is. Well, you have to be patient, buddy. That's what I'm telling you. If the trades come in the morning, that's when you take them. In the afternoon, anything can happen. I've been telling you that for a year, Dana. All right. So 299.76 really is where we're going to be looking for the long, okay? You have to get a dip. You can't just chase it. What do we got here? The open at... This is the problem. If you take the open at 303, if it breaks the open, where do you take an ad? Let's talk about it. Where do you take an ad? Tandem. Are you there? Where do you take an ad? If you take it at, that's the close of the overnight. Okay, so you take an ad. So you take an ad here at 302.40. So you got in at 303.20. You take an ad at 302.40. Now you're in a point on Microsoft, and risk is only a point on Microsoft. Then it continues south, and you just get lambasted all the way down here to the close. Now you're down 50, 60% on your trade, and you've got to take a giant position to try to get even. The emotional risk is too big to take this trade up here. It just is. Do what you want, but I'm telling you, that's what... This is what's going to happen to everybody. It's going to go to 317. We've known this. We know it's going to come up here. I've been talking about it. So, anyway, a dip into 299.76 into the close of yesterday. That's what we're looking for. That's a proper play. That's a proper trade. That's where we'll execute. Okay? That's where I'll be executing. MU. I'm not crazy about MU. Netflix free fall bounced. So our next bounce, remember what I said, if it gets underneath the 9, it's going to come back up and test the 9 and then tank, and that's exactly what happened yesterday. It came right in the 9. I didn't make it red, but that's what it did. Came right in the 9 and tanked. So that being said, the 200, what is this? The 20. I don't think I would take the 20. I'd wait for probably 566.18. It could get real wild today. I'll stay away from Netflix. It's right in the middle. If it comes all the way down 566.18, that would be worth it. We discussed there was going to be some profit taken in Netflix. That's happening. So we're getting profit taken across the board. There's a lot of profit taking going on. Nvidia looks like it's getting ready to run again. Going to run up to that 233.78. Remember, where's Nvidia going? Right there. It's going to take some time. If I knew how long it would take to get there, I mean, I'm telling you, I'd buy 1,000 option contracts in the money down here and just let them ride for the next year for it to go to 515, but it ain't going to take 5 years. You'll see. I don't listen to the news, buddy. I just look at the charts. The charts tell you what you need to know. All right, so what do we got here? PayPal, 284.86. What's this? We're going to get a dip on PayPal, too, it looks like. some point in the near future. On the what? Oh yeah, I saw that. He's an embarrass. I can't talk about him on YouTube, buddy. But that person you discuss is an embarrassment. I think I have to short the 9 on Qs. I've now changed my mind. So I'll watch the short at 377.29 on Qs coming into the 9. We're in a pretty steady downtrend, and that's probably going to be the downtrend test too. Pretty close. It's pretty close. Do what? Yeah. SPY. Get rid of these. Really? Oh, I restart my computer once a week at least. It looks like we're going to get a straight push up. The 9's at 447.29. I'm going to be watching for these shorts. I think I'm going to be patient. I might try to catch the long up there, but I don't think it's going to keep running today. Man, I wish Wish would give some kind of sign of that it's going to do something, but it just is not giving it. Let me figure out what I want to trade here. Microsoft long at 299.76, which would give us a dip. Or is it going to run straight into that level today? I don't think it'll go bankrupt, but I think it has a very real possibility of going really cheap. But once again, I'm not an analyst. I don't look at their data and their P&L. I'm just going on. I'm just analyst. I don't want you to make a decision on that trade by what I say. I look at the charts, and the charts tell me it's weak, but how far is it going to go? How weak can it get? Does somebody step in and buy it? Do they make their company better? Well, yeah, but not if it keeps going south. Oh, big candle out of Amazon down. Look at that big candle on Amazon down. Amazon just broke down to 344. Wow. Amazon just broke something I was looking at, I think. Yeah, look at that. Down to 340 now. Yeah. Was it take your computer 10 hours to start up or what? So Nvidia shits the, or Amazon shits the bed and Nvidia rockets up 50 cents. That's funny. Type my password right first time today, boys. Yeah, that's it. Microsoft, Nvidia. Let me in. Not me. Patrick is a fish. Nice. Nice. Come on over to the poker table, Tanda. We'll see how much of a fish I am. Man, I smoked a guy with 6'3" suited, bitch, for $1,000. Don't talk to me. A blobfish? Oh, Lord. How much time I got here? 3 minutes. Let's take a look. Nvidia's running up right now. Apple's running up. You mother... Do I got this on Hike and a She? Yep. Yeah, no, I know. I catch myself after I say it. They'll demonetize. They'll ban my monetization, the whole dollar I make. That's why I have the private chat and the Zoom. Like, we can say whatever the fuck we want, you know. But when I have the YouTube thing open, I can't really cuss, or we can't talk politics. You know, it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous though what country we live in, you know. But that's all I can say about it. Yeah, YouTube's going. Nope. No, I have that part. I don't have it streaming through the stream, only my microphone. Nobody in YouTube land right now. People come on and off all the time. That's a fact. The AI is always watching. All right, guys, we got about a minute. We're just going to have to kind of let this shake out. I like NVIDIA long. I like Microsoft long. I like the 9. I like Q's and SPY short at the 9. At the 9 on the daily. Microsoft, I like long at 299.76. I will not take it before it gets there. I'll take it 10 or 20 cents coming into it, but that's it. What am I going to put over here? I'm not trading it now. I'll put coin up over here. I'll watch and see where that, if that comes down into that 239.72. I might take that play. Contracts are pretty spunky, but here we go, guys. All right, we're running straight up. Carnival jammed right straight through the level. It's coming down. I'm not so sure I would. 22.28 I would risk it. I don't think I'd risk it before there, buddy. If we get a straight push on SPY and Qs into this this 377.29, I'm going to be taking that short. Just letting you know. If it breaks out right here, it's going to run straight up there. Probably should have took it short already. Nope, there it goes. We're going straight up there. Let me open Qs because I'm going to get ready to short that. Qs over here. I'm getting ready, yes. I almost took it right there, and I'm like, I said I was going to short it at the 9, so I was looking at the daily. The daily on the 9 is 377.29, so I'm going to try to hold on until it gets up there. Microsoft's not giving us an entry. Tana's will be like, I got in at the open. Might work for him. You're taking a quick dump? Nice. Q's jam straight down. Straight up, straight down. This move on Q's makes no sense where it came down at. That's nasty. That is nasty. Told you. Come on, Microsoft. Come on, Microsoft tank. I knew I should have took Q short, damn it. I was trying to be too perfect. There was a lot of risk, though, to take it where it was, so it's fine. Just let her come down. Whoop! Amazon just broke that level I was discussing. If I get I'm going to short Qs from VWAP if it pulls up. Come on. Where did I want to take that long? 374.18. You know what? I might just wait for the long. I want Microsoft to come into 299.76. Qs is running at pre-market, or SPY is running at pre-market lows. Broke the first level at 444.11. What? Yeah, it's trying. Yeah, Microsoft. I wish Microsoft would do a big candle down at 299. I'd grab it. Watching the 443 calls on SPY right now. Right now, the 444s, 443s, 443s. Yeah, I bought some. Came in the middle of the box, buddy. We'll see. I'm not sure it's going to hold, so I just took a starter position. 25 contracts in case I want to add. Yeah. Right into that 220.30. That's that first level. Ah, fucking Q's just broke. Q's is still coming down. I bought some more SPY. Got filled $1.91 there. Already up $10 a contract. Contract's volatile. I don't know if she's going to hold here or not. I don't have a lot of faith in this. She double bottom, but we'll see if it's going to hold and go. It's trying. I'm going to peel some off right here, a little profit, in case it dumps. Made a quick $11. Made a quick $11. 220.30. Be careful. Q's is still coming down, guys. Microsoft broke out and then just tanked. Buying some more SPY right now. Fill me at $1.81 on that one. Come on, give me a suck up. Microsoft's back to the open. I think it's going to break through and come down here. I really want that 299.76. I really shouldn't be long in SPY. I should have just been patient. It was. Just didn't. I saw it and then I didn't take it. I wanted another 20 cents and I was going to start short. But it is what it is. Happens sometimes. I'm green in SPY right now. Amazon just tagged 34.20. I was afraid it was going to do that. I'll go on it. SPY broke pre-market low. Yeah. Apple's coming down. Contracts holding up good. I'm going to buy some more here. $1.65. Come on, suck up because I want to sell some of these. There we go. No, come on. Amazon, you can kiss my... You need to knock that off right now. Q is coming into that call level. 374.18. Well, the whole market's selling off, buddy. So there's risk, inherent risk everywhere. The bottom on SPY is 443.36. If I was going to take one, I'd probably take that one. Nvidia's good, though. I like Nvidia as well. I think I'll have to buy some Nvidia, too, actually. Nvidia. I just bought some 220s for $2.95. It filled me. I bought a few option contracts. Yes, I did. Hold on. I got to take some profit on SPY here. Oh, it fucking sucked back before I could get it. Oh well. Is it? Oh, straight down to it. Holy shit. All right, we got a higher low. Got a little higher low on SPY working. Q's is coming into the level. I got filled at 295 on Nvidia. Better hold. Hey, you better hold on to your heart, because Nvidia can make a believer out of you very quickly. Fucking Amazon's still selling off. I almost bought a little more. There's some buyers down here by the bottom. Probably should have bought some on that punch in there, and I didn't. Microsoft's working its way down to that 299.76. Q's right into the level. Oh, here we go on SPY, boys. Here we go on SPY. Let's go, baby. Peeling some off. Just in case we get a tank. We need a higher low out of SPY, and Amazon is not helping. I told you if Amazon broke that level, it was coming all the way to 33.91. Damn it. Thursday's low, or what day are we on here? Monday's low on Nvidia was 218.56. Guys, that's really the break cut it. We can take it there, but no further. Q's broke yesterday's lows and the day before's lows, so the triple bottom is broke. SPY's let me get rid of some more contracts here. Come on, Microsoft, just jam down to this 299.76. I have 80 contracts in SPY right now. Woo! There we go, baby. Come on, let's go. Do whatever your emotion can handle, sir. SPY's running, taking profit, peeled some off. You only buy it while it's red, not while it's green. I'm a little red on my Nvidia contracts still. Not anymore. All right, we're trying to get bought up here. You have to buy it. You have to buy it red, number one. You can't buy it while Nvidia is going green. Hold on. I got to take some profit on SPY at the VWAP. Boom, baby. Boom, baby. Let's go. Nvidia's running. Yeah, I'm killing it in SPY. I'm making a lot. A lot. Woo-hoo-hoo, baby. I'm up $40 a contract right now on my remaining. I have 40 contracts left on SPY. We're pushing. Nvidia's coming. Nvidia's coming. Came right into the levels. You see how we're patient? See how patience pays off to wait for the levels, boys? This is why it pays off right here. Peeling some more at the 200 on SPY. I'd peeled some Nvidia off. Filled me at 320 just before that bump. Come on. My SPY's still working nicely. Listen, don't marry this long. Take your profit. It doesn't have to keep going. SPY is strong and Q's is not coming up near what SPY came up. SPY's over the 200. It's got slapped back. Take some more profit. I filled me trash. It's because I hesitated and I wasn't paying attention. Come on, Nvidia. I got a pretty good size on Nvidia. I got a pretty large position today. I don't have it up. Is it shit in the bed or running? Perfect. Nice. I'm taking some profit on SPY. Oh, I gotta grab some profit there too. 330. Come on, fill me, bitch. SPY's coming into a double top and Q's is weak. So be very careful. Just filled me at 330 on some Nvidia. I took some profit into VWAP. Don't, listen, Chris, don't marry it. Don't marry the trade. If it comes all the way back down into that 220.30, you can risk it and run it down to the bottom, but you got to be careful. Holy shit. I'm going to make 10,000 on SPY. I just took some more profit. Holy crap. I just got filled at 246 on my SPY contracts that I bought for $1.65, baby. Let's go! Apple's going to be a higher low right here for a long. If SPY can break out and continue from right here, Apple should be a good play, higher low. Same with Amazon. I slaughtered SPY. Nvidia's paying me. The Nvidia contract's not really popping yet. There it goes. There we go. Now I'm up 50 a contract. 50 a contract on Nvidia. We're higher low. Apple's a pretty good long right now. Apple's a good long. Whoo! Yes, right now before it pops, I think. Take it down to the double bottom. That's it. I'm up 100 a contract on SPY. I'm on remaining. Taking profit. I got 20 contracts left. I'm going to set a stop. $2.40. All right, here comes Apple into the double bottom. I'm watching it right now. I'm watching Q's. Q's and Apple are way behind SPY at the moment. It needs to hold right here. If it breaks, I have too much open. I've. Hold on. I didn't realize we were at the 50 on Nvidia. I just peeled some profit. It filled me like shit. 350. Apple broke the low. What the hell is going on with Apple? Did you take Apple, Chris? Okay, good. Where the hell's Apple coming to? Apple gonna come down to 146.50? I'm gonna wait for Apple to get to 146.50. If it comes in there and SPY's still holding up here, I'll grab Apple long down there. I've still got some Nvidia open, not much. Mahaffey took SPY and slaughtered it with your boy here. Oh, I just got stopped out of SPY, I think. Oh, it's $1 away. Look at this shit. Watch this lower high. Look at Apple. Look at Apple dive, and that was a trap. I apologize for that, Chris. It's coming. Apple's coming to 146.50. Look at this sell-off. Look at Q's. I'm stubborn with my Nvidia contracts. I sold some. I got a little bit left. I'm still green. I mean, I made a bunch of money on the contract, so it's still holding green. So I'm gonna let it ride down because I made a shit ton on the SPY trade. What? This is a beautiful trade, buddy. Apple comes, listen, when Apple comes straight into that 146.50, at 146.60, I will buy Apple long. I'm just telling y'all. Yeah, that's when I'll start in. I've got it, I've even got it open right now. I'm going to buy the 146 contracts. SPY stopped me out. I'm out of SPY. Stopped me out. $70 in profit on the remaining 20 contracts I had. So Q's is trying to put in a higher low at the 374.18. Well, the market maker candle from the after hours is down to 146.50 Tandon. Look right here. See it? Right here. See it? Yeah, 146.50. That's where I'm gonna take a shot at it. I don't know if it's gonna work, but if it's gonna bounce, it's gonna do it right there. Q's is trying to hold that bottom. Q's is a good play long right now. Q's is way behind SPY. Yeah, Q's, but it can slip. See, you just got to understand it can slip because if SPY starts to crash, Q's is going to break lows. So when you take these plays, you only take them to the bottom. God damn it, Apple's trying to bounce. I really don't need to take another play. I'm up a... We're up 4 digits. If SPY would have, I thought I was going to hit 5 digits there for a second, and then SPY fucking took me out. Pissed me off. Come on, Apple. One big red candle. Come on. Yep, so Q's is trying to. What is that, 30 cents down to the bottom? I really don't want to ride the contracts down there. $146. I don't know why I'm looking at that. I'm just going to take Q's. I don't know why I didn't buy Q's already. I should already bought it. Microsoft's in a downtrend. Chris, how many screens do you have? All right. I'm watching Q's. Okay. Took 374s at $1.31. I only took 25 contracts. We'll see. SPY put on a little lower high here. You gotta look across the board, huh? 15th, because I'm not gonna be in this trade long. It's either gonna work or it's not. Fucking Apple's bouncing that 146.95. I really want it to come to this 146.50. Oh, Nvidia is going to stop me out on my remainder, I think. Oh, I'm out of Nvidia. Stop me out right there. I made money on it, whatever. There we go, Q's. There we go. There we go. It is. It's trying to hold that bottom. $1.31 I paid. It's hanging right around there. $1.32, 35 at the moment, 34. Yeah, I'm not overly confident in it. I kind of FOMO'd into that trade a little bit. I just got impatient waiting for Apple, so I bought Q's. That's what happened. That's exactly what I just did. Nvidia's curling. There's a lot of curling going on. Yeah. I'm up 10 a contract right now. There we go. God, I should have bought more than 25 contracts. I just took 5 off. Filled me $1.50. That was nice. That was nice of it. It was 19 a contract real quick. Amazon is coming up. What are you talking about? Well, it had a little red candle. It's got a higher low going right now, buddy. Are you on your computer or on your phone, Tandon? I don't know how you can trade on your phone. I just don't. Well, do you click back and forth between my charts to look from Zoom? All right, Microsoft's jamming down right now. Come on, Microsoft. Come down to that 299.76. Is that why you're staying down? Is that why Q's is staying down so it drags you down? AMD came in perfect at that 104.37. It's coming up. It don't get no more perfect than that, boys. Don't get no more perfect than that. I took profit on Q's. No, I still have some on. SPY's trying to hold above the open here. Things should climb. Should. If Amazon breaks that uptrend, heads towards the double bottom, then maybe not. All right, I'm about to stop out of Qs. I'm not going to go red. I'll just rebuy. It just stopped me out. Right there, $1.31. Bang, stop me out. Son of a bitch. Hold on, what's happening here? All right, Amazon broke that uptrend. Nvidia's headed towards the double bottom. Microsoft's coming. Be patient, guys. Let's let this come down. The whole market could fall apart. Remember, we're long in the market, and it's been coming down. We're just catching the bounces. That's why you got to take your profit, okay? I've got Microsoft on one screen I'm watching. I'm watching Apple. I'm looking for Apple around 146.50. But we have to be aware that Amazon was trying to put in a higher low, and it's back down to a double bottom. It's trying. It's right there. If it gets sucked up, then I'll buy Qs. I missed it. Come on, Apple. Give me one big candle. I'd much rather buy you. You or Microsoft. I don't give a shit who gets to the level first. I had to get my hand off the mouse. I'm too fucking jumpy. I almost bought some more Qs. Sit back in your chair, boys. Don't hunch over the desk. I know y'all hunched over the desk. There goes Amazon. That's what I needed to see. I bought some more Q. Yep, I did. It filled me $1.33. Got to react sometimes. I was waiting for Amazon to suck up. Woo! There we go, baby. $1.55. Boom. Come on. Come on, give me some continuation. I almost bought Apple too. I was waiting for Amazon to see if it was going to hold this double bottom, guys. That's why as soon as that started to squeeze, I just executed spot Qs. I didn't even look to see what it was doing. I had it open on my trade deck. AMD's lifting. Nvidia's lifting. Are you in Qs, Mahaffey? You look like you're in Qs. Oh, you're not in? SPY just broke highs. Oh, here we go. We're 5 digits now. 166. Come on, fill me. Thank you. Just made over 30 a contract. Now, if we get some continuation on Qs, I'm not selling any more Qs. I'm going to try to ride this all the way to the top. I'll either zero out or I'm going to make a whole bunch more. You can only buy it at the bottom. Don't chase it. Don't chase it. Don't teach yourself bad habits. The reason that I executed, Chris, is because it was sitting right here, right? My risk is only this much. But from up here, the risk is all the way to the double bottom. That's too far. It's 70 cents. Well, that's good. God damn Nvidia. I knew I should have bought Nvidia when it pulled down. Son of a bitch. Apple's coming down. It wants to test that 146.50, I'm telling you. I gotta set a stop. Hold on. I set a stop on my Q contracts. If it stops me out, well, come on, Apple. Let me flip over to. I'm gonna open my Apple in case it does a quick jam into that 146.50. I can grab it. 146 is such weird movement today, guys. Weird movement. There's a lot of divergence right now. Okay, Spies up off of the 443, coming back down. Amazon is at lows. Q's is towards the bottom. Everybody's towards the bottom, but I think we're going to get bought up. I'm going to have to roll into tomorrow's expiries if I buy Q's or SPY again after this trade. Hold on, I'll be right back. Come on, Apple. Amazon broke lows. Shut up. Be careful, Amazon broke lows here. Told you I didn't trust Facebook. Oh yeah. Yep. The retest of the right there. That's right where I wanted to take it short too. Just south of it. That's nasty. 10 points. Jeez. Yep. Hold on. Q stop. I think Q stopped me out. Hold on. Yep. I'm out of Q's. I made nice profit. I left too many on. I should have took more profit. I'm waiting for Microsoft to jam. Look at me. See Microsoft? Waiting for it to jam. Had a candle all the way down to 302.35. It's going to come down there. Bet your ass. No, I want 299.76. I won't take Microsoft unless it comes here. I just won't. And Apple's holding this 146.95, and then it's going to dip 50 cents under, blow out all the stops, and then go. But guys, listen, it's getting late in the day. If you're green, It's quarter 10 after 10. Okay. There's no need to take another trade if you're already green in a market that's selling off and we're longing it. Okay. Oh, dude, you're preaching to the frickin' choir, bro. It's coming down? Oh, yeah. I told you it looked like it was going to come down. I'm telling you it's coming to the close. I'm going to wait for it to get there. Oh, shit. Look at Q's coming into the double bottom. I think it's going to break it. Watch this. This is going to be nasty. Watch this candle. Oh, it's going to be nasty. Blew right through it. They're fucking trapped. Here comes SPY down. Yep. Guys, I really want to take these two plays long, Apple and Microsoft, but I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm just going to quit. Hey, YouTube, I'm going to call this a day. Have a great day. Big green today. Good day.